Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make sorghum leaf powder, all the uses and the benefits of this powder. So stay tuned. Sorghum leaves are also known as millet leaves. So to make this sorghum powder, you will need dry sorghum leaves. So this is a dry sorghum leaf. Sometimes it can be dirty, so I will need to wash it to remove any dirty or dust. So sorghum leaf is rich in various nutrients, antioxidants, fiber, and it can be used for a lot of health benefits. So I'll start by washing the sorghum leaves. So when I'm done washing, you can decide to shake off all the excess water so that it can dry quickly, or you can use a kitchen towel to pan dry. So when I'm done shaking off all the excess water, I'm going to spray it out and allow it to air dry. So the next day, the sorghum leaves have dried properly. I'll cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. So I'll be blending until it's smooth. So when I'm done blending it, I'm going to spray it out and allow it to cool before I'll store it in airtight container. And you can use this sorghum leaves powder to cook, to make your drink, tea, or even add it to your smoothie. Sorghum leaves contain minerals like iron, calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and fiber. It will help to aid digestion, boost your heart health, regulate your glucose level, boost energy, good for bone health. It is also good if you are anemia. It will help to increase blood circulation. It also boosts brain function and also helpful if you want to lose weight because it contains fiber that will help to suppress your appetite. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.